Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Go ahead and chart this scenario. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Go ahead and chart this scenario. Yeah, I know that math isn't much on your mind, but I'm gonna try to spin it around. We got these definite integral puns, so I guess I'll call it in like a swan. It all starts out just here with an equation, so I guess I'll just go ahead and maybe explain. We got this f of x, or that's y equals. Within it consists of just one. Now sometimes we get all meaningful rhymes like x squared and the square root of 9. And even then, before it's time, we also have some additional deceptive lines. In the next phase of this beautiful dime, I've come to show you the reasonable lines. We got these limits of integration, and it makes our integral move with the patience. Now with these points right here on the graph, I got to figure out its math, or simply just the area under the curve. I then figure out if it's x and no word. And even if it's x right here, I got to figure out its derivative. So then I see the equation on the graph, or maybe just constructive math. Well, right here now we got this math, and I have to compute the area of the test. Got the x squared minus that 2x. It's all just from the interval of 0 to 2. Next then we make some changes to the lines, and now I have 1/3 x cubed minus that x squared, and then we plug in the limits of time. So by now, if you haven't learned, it's quite simple just to make some terms. Plug them in under the C and make this more like geometry. But hey, we're not done right there. I got to show you these other squares. Right here how we have the sine of x and the average value of time. With our limits of 0 to pi, I got to write out my dividing time. And then it's the same old steps. I come and make it negative cosine, and then plug it in my pi and find out what's left of the matrix sign. Now clap it up for this mix right here of the integral touch. Hey. Hey. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Go ahead and chart this scenario. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Go ahead and chart this scenario.